What are the differences between the federal, state, and local governments, and why do you need to pay attention to your local races? Each tier of the U.S. government has distinct roles. The federal government guides our national policies and foreign affairs. The federal government today has extended its reach far beyond what the Founding Fathers envisioned, largely due to the interpretation of the necessary and proper clause of the Constitution, which has allowed for expanded federal powers. This includes involvement in areas like education, healthcare, and environmental regulation, which were originally left to the states or individuals, leading to debates about national government overreach. We won't address this debate in this video, but we'll stick to how the Constitution sets up the different tiers of government. The state government balances national guidelines and specific local needs. The state holds the responsibility for areas not delegated to the federal government, such as establishing local governments, issuing licenses, and regulating intrastate commerce. It plays a crucial role in public health and safety, education, transportation, and national resources management. These functions allow the state to address the unique needs and concerns of its residents. Local government works closely with the communities to address needs like education, zoning, and local ordinances. A school board is a powerful entity that sets educational policies and guidelines for a school district, impacting the quality of education students receive. It's responsible for hiring and evaluating the superintendent, improving the budget, and making decisions about faculties and curriculum. While the size of a school board's budget varies, it's typically a substantial portion of a city's general fund, reflecting the community's investment in education. Zoning boards, another significant local player, dictate urban development. Zoning boards play a critical role in shaping the use of land within a community, determining what types of structures and businesses can exist in certain areas. Their decisions directly influence the charter of neighborhoods, the value of properties, and the quality of life for residents. However, these regulations can also limit how property owners use their land, balancing individual property rights with the broader community's interests and vision. The local legislature, often known as the city council or county board, is responsible for making and enforcing local laws, ordinances, and policies. They manage the local government's budget, which includes public services like police, fire protection, and public works. Additionally, they play a significant role in economic development, land use, and the overall quality of life in the community. Local judges wield significant power as they interpret laws, assess evidence, and make legal decisions that can profoundly affect individuals' lives. They have the authority to impose fines, order the payment of damages, determine the custody of children, and even sentence people to imprisonment or death in certain jurisdictions. This immense power underscores their role in upholding justice, but also highlights the importance of checks and balances in the judicial system. Money, popularity, and political influence often play a significant role in elections, sometimes overshadowing a candidate's ability or fitness for a government position. This can lead to individuals with personal, business, or political ambitions becoming elected, rather than those who prioritize the community's well-being. Therefore, an active and informed citizenry is crucial in scrutinizing candidates and preventing the election of those driven by more personal gain than public service. In today's media landscape, it's crucial to seek out diverse sources of information about local candidates. Beyond media coverage, consider attending town halls, meet the candidate events in private homes, political party conventions, and public candidate debates. Also, utilize objective nonprofit internet sites such as the League of Women Voters, and explore other resources such as candidate websites, social media platforms, and public records to make an informed decision. State and local elections with the least media coverage, ironically, have the most influence on our everyday lives. The need to research due to less media coverage is absolutely critical to ensure government for the welfare of the people. Your vote and even participation helps because there are fewer votes cast for each local position. Candidates often win local elections only by dozens of votes. Don't let the destiny of your community be decided by the popular, wealthy, and random circumstances. Take power, control, and participate in electing the best government your community deserves.